So the first one is concealer brush. You can use it under the eyes to conceal. So the next one is lash and brow. You can use this brush for combing eyelashes, taming eyebrows. So the next one is powder brush. You can use this brush to spread translucent powder evenly on the face. So the next one is fan brush. You can use fan brush to apply highlighter. Make sure you use highlighter on your cheekbones, nose, forehead. So the next one is blending brush. You can use it to blend eyeshadow easily, which will remove harsh lines. So the next one is contour brush. You can use this brush to apply contour. Generally it is used on the cheekbone line. So the next one is bronzer brush. You can use this on the cheekbone line. So the next one is blush brush. You can use this brush to blush the cheekbone. So the next one is stippling brush. You can use this brush to easily buff and blend the foundation. So the next one is foundation brush. This brush is used to easily apply liquid and cream foundation. So the next one is lip brush. It helps in defining the shape of the lips by filling the lip color evenly. So the next one is eyeliner brush. It helps in creating thin, defined, sharp lines on under the eyes. So the next one is bent eyeliner brush. You can use this brush to apply eyeliner. Hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching my video. Bye.